Just for repetition, I have repeated here that how do we get the shear stress. So, shear stress is equal to tangential force or shear force divided by shear area is proportional to du over dy, and we have the constant tau is equal to mu du over dy. This is known as Newton's viscosity law, and mu is known as coefficient of viscosity. Mu is known as coefficient of viscosity. You note down, mu is known as coefficient of viscosity, and generally it is termed as viscosity only. So, with the help of this equation, now we can solve different type of problems to give the answer to different questions. Now, we shall solve few numericals later on, but before going further, let us try to understand. Suppose let us see in this figure, we have a shear stress here. This is the shear stress on y axis, and rate of deformation or velocity gradient or shear strain rate in the x direction. Then we have these three fluids: air, water and oil. So, we have these three figures for these three fluids. Just to understand what is viscosity. Viscosity is slope between shear stress divided by du over dy, because tau is equal to mu du over dy. So, mu is equal to tau divided by du over dy. So, for this figure, the slope is representing the coefficient of viscosity or viscosity. So, with the help of these three figures, we can appreciate that air is having the least viscosity for these three type of fluids, water is having in between, and oil is having the highest viscosity. Now, in the left picture, we have the coefficient of viscosity for different fluids which we use in our common life or in different engineering applications. For glycerine, under different temperature, we have the viscosity here. It is given in kg per meter second. We will do the dimensional analysis, and we will find that dimensionally units of the viscosity is kg per meter second. We have engine oil. We know that for different type of engines, under different condition, we use different type of lubricating oil, SAE oil, and this is categorized in different manner. Now, these oils are having different viscosity. Mercury is having 0.0015 kg per meter second viscosity. Ethyl alcohol is having this much. Water at different temperature. Water at different temperature, you will observe that at 0 degree centigrade we have 0.0018 viscosity with given unit, and as temperature goes up, the viscosity is reducing. It is 0.0010 at 20 degree centigrade, at 100 degree centigrade at 0.00028. So, as temperature is increasing in case of water, the viscosity is decreasing. That also we will understand that why does it decrease in case of water with increase in temperature. In case of vapor, if liquid is converted into vapor at the constant temperature, its viscosity is further reduced. So, in case of the vapor or in gaseous form, viscosity is very less in comparison to liquid form, and in case of blood at 30 degree centigrade, we have this much viscosity, 0.00040 kg per meter second. For gasoline, ammonia, air, hydrogen at 0 degree centigrade, we have these viscosity. So, with the help of this table, just we can have a idea of the viscosity of different fluids.